Hi, this is Setwadi Pele of HT Technology Center. In this video, we are going to be studying how to use Word. So we start with introduction to Word, how to launch Word, and how to use uh, various tools to format a text. Alright, so let's get it started. Alright, so to launch Word, you only click on Start button and then go through your applications. Then come to Microsoft Office. Open Microsoft Office and you will see and you look for Microsoft Word. Alright, then you launch Microsoft Word from here just by clicking on it. And then that is Microsoft Word launching for you. Alright, we can also launch Microsoft Word just by going to the search bar and then you only type Word. Then you have Microsoft Word. And then you select Microsoft Word from there. The Microsoft Word will launch for you. If you also have it on the taskbar, if it is pinned to the taskbar, you can see Microsoft as it is pinned to the taskbar. You just click on it once for Microsoft Word to launch for you. So that is the three basic ways to launch Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is the interface or the Microsoft Word window. Alright, so once you have the mouse pointer clicking or blinking at the starting point, indicating where to start your typing from. So you just have to go ahead and type, right? Type whatever you want to type. Alright, so we have just typed something which doesn't make sense anyway. Alright, but just to learn how to format a text. So to format this, we can start with how the text look. Alright, the look of the text, the stylish way that the text is looking. So the first thing that we are going to have a look at is font family. Font family has a different look of text. Different. So once you've highlighted on the text, you can just go through the font and you will see different. And your text will also be changing as well depending on the font that you've chosen. You can scroll down, there's more fonts down to select from. Right, stylish. Alright, so you choose anyone. We've selected our font. Here we have font family or font size, font size to decide the size of your text. The higher the number, the bigger the text. The lower the number, the smaller the text. And we can also use grow font. This is grow font and then shrink font. Okay, so here we can also change the case, that is from small letters or from lowercase to uppercase if you want to. So that is uppercase. If you want it to be in lowercase, you select lowercase. You can also toggle. Toggle means that the lowercase will become uppercase become lowercase. You can also decide to say, okay, capitalize each word. That is if you want to capitalize the beginning of every word. Alright, okay. Alright, so that is about that. The next thing to look at is bold. That will make your font go bigger than usual. Alright, and you can also apply italic, making it to slide a little bit. And you can also use underline if you want to underline whatever text. Alright, and then you can also strike through the text. Strike it through. Right. The next is subscript and superscript. Now what subscript does is you just show you how it looks. It mostly shows more when you use numbers though you can also use test as a script, right? So you highlight on the test and then you use subscript. Then that test will look like this is 34 base 5, right? All right, like the base of the test. And then it's just the opposite. So whatever you type there will just be in the subscript form. All right, I think the subscript is off now. Okay, it will just be in the subscript form, right? Okay, and then the next, but after you are done, make sure that you take your subscript off, else it's just going to be looking like a subscript form. So just take it off, then type whatever you want to type, and then it will come to normal. All right, now let's go and have a look at superscript, and we use numbers as well. Okay, so we can select, then use superscript. All right, so this one is just the opposite of subscript. This one raised to the power, so let's say we can say that this is 67 raised to the power 4, okay, or exponent. Okay, all right, so that is how to use subscript. The last thing that I want to talk about is the text color. That is the color of the text. With the color of the text, you can equally highlight on the text and then come to text color and then decide which color to use. Okay, click on any of the colors here, depending on how you want to. All right, you can also choose your text color here, choose your font, choose your size using grow, or just go to size and select your size. You can choose your bold, whatever, before you start typing. Okay, and you can change that if you want to at any time. You want to change it, you can still change it, right? All right, so right after you are done formatting your text, you can just click on this clear formatting button to clear every settings that you have done. Then your text will come back to normal, will come back to the default settings of Microsoft Word. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the part 2 of formatting text. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like button down there. All right, thank you.